Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Mendeley, and in this video I want to demonstrate the harness tester, or how to test your harness in our new software. And this function is very important because when we are talking about biofeedback, biofeedback is sending in something to the body. It can be an audio-visual signal, and we need to measure back something. So the proper working harness is necessary to do real biofeedback. We will start from the scratch. It means we need to click on the icon for the CLAPS 64, and then the program start operating. And on the first page, when the program is loading, you can see the bar, the progress bar, and it needs to reach the 25%. So as you can see, now the system reached the 25%, recognizing our Mendeley Q9 device, and that's the point when you need to put on the harness to the client, because when the system is reaching the 25% and the device is sending out a cleaning pulse for the harnesses, so that's the point when you can give a clean harness to the client. Here you need to click on check electrodes, and you can see this picture with all of the electrodes, the red, yellow, blue and black. And that's the point when you need to put on the harnesses. First, the head harness, the cables needs to go down on the right side. Then I'm doing this presentation with this new Mendeley harness. Maybe I can ask Bala to help me to put on the harnesses. The plug needs to be inside of the arm or outside of the arm. It depends on how the client is sitting or laying on the bed. If like this way, you need to use the patent inside of the arm, or if the client is laying or sitting normal way, you need to use this way. And for the legs, do the same thing. We need to move a little bit to show how it's working. Thank you, Bala. And now with this magnetic clips, you need to attach the harness. Yellow, black, red and blue here. Now the harnesses are properly attached for the client, and that's the point when you can click on start and the system start measuring. The device start flashing with the second blue light, and now the system start measuring the harnesses. So you can see on the screen all of the harness properly attached. Now if we remove like the red and remove the yellow, it needs to give you a sign X with red. The device needs to do this control check, where we remove the head harness. You see, now it's immediately drop off. We need to remove the black one and the blue one. Wait a little bit, and all of the harness is not working. If we start putting back the harnesses, the system starts measurement, and now you can see the head harness is properly attached. Put back the yellow, put back the black, and put back the blue. And the system starts measuring, and you will see all of the harnesses are working fine. But now I want to show you something. That's the myth busting information. Most of the users are using paper something under the head harness. And you see, I can remove, and it's a very tiny something. And I can put under this tissue under the head harness. And you can see the limb harnesses are connected and the head harness is not connected because the tissue is blocking the connection between the harness and the skin. So my recommendation, the official recommendation, do not use any kind of tissue or clothes or something like that between the skin and the electrode or harness. But if we remove the tissue, it will be measured again. You see? Now the green check mark are okay. So now we tested with a Q9, but same testing with the Skio. So you need to reach the 25%, device picture is up, you need to click on the check harness, click on start, and you can test the harnesses. It's absolutely same way with the old harnesses and same way with the new harnesses. It's absolutely up to your what kind of harness you have at home. So that's how you can test your device is working or not, but this function only available with Mendeley system. Other companies doesn't have the real biofeedback checkback function. So I hope I shared with you a good information and you can start testing your harness at home, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.